If you tried everything about Trapcode, however, you can't grasp it, this video for you, from Graphic for you, and don't worry, everything will be fixed in just 10 minutes. However, before anything, I want you to forget everything you know about After Effects Trapcode plugin. Just clear your mind first. We're not going to focus on whole Trapcode plugin. Let's break it down to small pieces on making just one or many videos. And let's say this video will only have one audience. And in my case, that audience is you. I should give you a name because I want to make you a part of this journey. Let's call you Inventive. Hey, Inventive. Do you know who I am? I'll introduce myself at the end of the video. I might know a couple of things about you that will surprise you. Ready? You are probably between 18 and 45 years old. You are aspiration, and you have a big aim. So if you're aiming to add a touch of magic, dynamism and professionalism to your videos, whether it's for impactful intros, stunning visual effects, or even unique motion graphics designs, then Trapcode Particular is your secret weapon. This powerful plugin gives you complete control over the realm of particles, from their shape and movements in your scene. In this episode, we'll learn how to get started with it practically. Together, we'll explore. Trapcode Suite is a powerful collection of plugins for Adobe After Effects. Developed by Red Giant, now part of Maxon, it is primarily used to create advanced 3D visual effects and motion graphics within the After Effects environment. Simply put, Trapcode Suite can be considered an advanced toolkit that gives graphic designers and VFX artists tremendous creative capabilities that go beyond the basic capabilities of After Effects. Key components included in Trapcode Suite. Versions may vary slightly. Number 1. 3D Stroke. A motion graphics artist's secret weapon for creating animated logos and sophisticated write-on effects. Allows you to draw animated 3D lines along paths and masks. You can control the line thickness, color, and motion. And we will talk about it in detail in the upcoming video. Number 2. Trapcode Echospace. Trapcode Echospace is a plugin for After Effects that lets you quickly clone, animate, and offset 3D layers, create dynamic falling domino, or follow the leader style motion graphics in seconds without writing expressions. Easily duplicates and distributes animated layers to create multi-layered 3D effects or falling domino effects. Number 3. Trapcode Form allows you to create static or animated 3D shapes from grids of particles. You can control the grid shape, particle density, and the effect of sound and motion on them to create unique visual effects. Number 4. Trapcode Horizon provides infinite 3D backgrounds that interact with the After Effects camera. You can use images or color gradients to create realistic or abstract backgrounds. Number 5. Trapcode Lux is a plugin for After Effects that creates visible, volumetric sources for all point and spotlights in the scene. The effect is fully AE 3D camera aware, with control over intensity, fall off, and more. Number 6. Trapcode Mir. Used to create 3D surfaces and terrains, abstract shapes, and wireframes. You can control the surface shape, its points, and distort it using maps and textures. Number 7. Trapcode Particular. It is the most famous component in the suite, used to create advanced 3D particle systems. You can use it to create effects like smoke, fire, snow, stars, sparks, and even abstract and complex shapes that move and interact with each other and the 3D environment in After Effects. It features precise control over particle behavior, physics forces, emission, and appearance. Number 8. Trapcode Shine. Adds elegant lighting and glow effects to text, logos, and other elements in your project. You can customize the glow color, size, and intensity. Number 9. Trapcode Sound Keys. Allows you to animate elements and their effects based on audio analysis. You can use any audio track to drive particle motion, change element size, or modify the properties of other effects. Number 10. Trapcode Starglow. Creates starlight glow and shimmer effects around lights and bright spots in the scene. You can control the number of rays, their length, and color. Number 11. Trapcode Tao enables you to create animated 3D geometric shapes along paths. You can create ribbons, tubes, and complex shapes that move and twist in dynamic ways. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you know who I am? I'm your mind, bro. I'm your mind.